Hello, this is checkpoint 2.17. They want us to describe the set of points in 3 dimensions that satisfy the equation. So let's rewrite that. X squared plus quantity z plus 2 quantity squared is equal to 16. If we look at this, we notice that there's no y variable at all. And that means that we're free to let y be whatever it wants. And so we're really restricted to the graph that is happening on the xz plane. Let's draw our 3-dimensional space over here. This is where we're going to attempt to draw this graph. But I also want to focus a little bit on just the x on the xz plane, and we'll label this as x and z, and we'll note that the x that's going this way on the 2-dimensional plane will be going this way. It's as if we're looking at the xz plane from the negative y-axis, because x is positive and going to the right. Now this is a circle. If we just look at it on the xz plane, it's a circle of radius 4, and it has a center at 0 in the x and negative 2 in the z. And its radius is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of outside of the screen there. But we'll just draw a rough sketch of the circle. That's our circle. Now let's transfer that drawing in 3 dimensions. Let's pretend that we're kind of working the same way. We're going down in the z. We're going to go negative 2. And so we can even label this as x is 0, z is equal to negative 2, and y is 0 for now. And then from here we go up 2. And so this will give us a up 4 units. So this will give us a z intersection at 2, and then we're going to go across 1, 2, 3, 4, down 2, 3, 4, and over on 2, 3, 4. So I want to draw that circle, but since we're looking at this at some sort of angle, it'll look a little bit like an ellipse. But we have to pretend it's like that circle from some sort of perspective. And then now the fact that we have some freedom with the y, and we can let y be whatever we want. We can imagine, let's draw a line parallel to the y-axis where this is kind of going, and then we have these circles over here, and well, that looks like a cylinder. So we can describe this as a cylinder. And the center is going along the axis. We can kind of describe this as a line going along the y-axis, centered on the line. Well, we can describe this line in a variety of ways, but the best way to describe the line is by the points, by the xz points that we have. I think I wrote my point incorrectly here. Let's make that correction. That point had it was 0 in the x and negative 2 in the z. And so if we're going to look at it with a y, it'll be 0, 0, 2. So this point should have been 0, 0, and not 2, but negative 2. Anyways, centered on the line. when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to -2. With radius radius 4. Okay, I think that would be a way to describe this. And just remember that if we have one of the variables missing, we can imagine that we'll take the shape in the other two variables, and then we can extend that to whatever, and kind of drag it along the axis that where the variable's missing. Okay, I hope that helps.